Sign and send documents for signing without leaving Microsoft Teams. Increase the productivity of your team with SignNow. Upload documents you'd like to send for signing. Make it easy to sign and submit your document by assigning roles and creating a signing order. Drag and drop signature, text, and date fields anywhere in a document. Set up fillable fields to always get the right data from recipients. Show or hide fillable fields under certain conditions. Send your document for signing in a click. Delight recipients with an intuitive signing experience. Recipients can sign your document in seconds, even while on the go. Use the SignNow chat to manage your documents faster, right in Microsoft Teams. Check the status of a document. Open or download a doc in a click. Save time creating templates of popular documents. Collaborate on documents with your teammates using shared templates. SignNow plus Microsoft Teams equals success.